Demystifying Samsung's Phone Finder, your pocket protector.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be discussing one of the most important apps for any Samsung phone user, the Samsung Phone Finder app. Losing or misplacing your phone can be a real hassle. But don't worry, Samsung's got your back with this innovative and powerful app. Samsung's Phone Finder app is designed to help you locate, track, and secure your lost or stolen Samsung smartphone.
How does Samsung Phone Finder work?
The Samsung Phone Finder leverages GPS and internet connectivity to locate your lost or stolen phone. When you activate the Phone Finder, it uses these technologies to provide a real-time location of your device, showing you exactly where it is on a map.
What key features does Samsung Phone Finder offer?
There are a variety of features that the Samsung Phone Finder offers. 1. Real-time tracking. As mentioned earlier, it provides real-time tracking of your device. You can see where your phone is on a map, allowing you to quickly locate it if it's lost or stolen. 2. Remote lock and erase. This is a crucial feature when your phone is stolen. You can remotely lock your phone or erase all the data on it. This ensures that your personal and sensitive information is safe. 3. Ring My Phone. If you just misplaced your phone somewhere in your house, this feature allows you to make your phone ring at full volume for a minute, even if it's on silent mode. 4. Backup and retrieve calls and messages. This feature allows you to back up your calls and messages to Samsung Cloud. If your phone is lost, you can retrieve this information from your new device.
How do I use Samsung Phone Finder?
To use Samsung Phone Finder, you need to have a Samsung account and the feature needs to be activated on your device. Once these conditions are met, 1. Log in to your Samsung account from any browser. 2. Click on Find My Mobile. 3. Choose the lost device from your list of devices. 4. Now you can use any of the features we discussed earlier. Remember to always have the Find My Mobile feature enabled on your phone, because you can't activate it remotely once the phone is lost. Samsung's Phone Finder app is an invaluable tool for securing and locating your lost or stolen Samsung device. It offers a wide range of features from real-time tracking to remote lock and erase. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry, so make sure you have Samsung Phone Finder set up on your device. Hopefully, this video has been informative and has given you a better understanding of how the Samsung Phone Finder works. Stay safe and keep your phone safer.